everyone. Happy Saturday morning, Vlogmas Day 2. So you're probably wondering why these stockings, Christmas stockings, being shown on my Vlogmas. And so what today's Vlogmas is, happy Vlogmas Day 2 again, by the way, is DIY but DIY by Dollar Tree. So what I did was, guys, and that's what my Vlogmas is going to be today. Again, it's Vlogmas Day 2. And what this Vlogmas is about is you can always enhance something by adding your extras. So because I have a custom printing business and I do customization, Successful with LLC, I have went to the Dollar Tree and I acquired these stockings. They were like $125 each, and you can go check that out. They have all different kind. They have the green and the gold, sequins, and then they have the all red sequins, and then they have like the plaid. And so what I did is I just custom each and every one so that each person has their own custom stocking. Now, when I was growing up and I remember Christmas, I've always remember seeing like movies and stuff where the stockings were hung by the Christmas tree or hung down the stairs. And I had said, you know what, I might hang these on the stairs this year because I've done that. I've always hang them on the side of my stairs because I always have stairs. But I'm like, no, I'm going to hang them on the wall and I'm going to just custom. Last year I customized them too, but this year I was like, I'm going to customize each one and I'm going to give them their own little feel. So this is each and every one of family members' custom stockings, guys. And like I said, this was a simple DIY. I got the little stockings from the Dollar Tree, very simple, $125 each, depending upon how much family members you have. You add that many. So I got one for each one of our family members. And then I even also went and I got my mom and my dad theirs too. So that's my mom and my dad's. And I got the gold ones for them because I wanted to stand out because it's my parents. So I got them. And then I put, for my mom's, you see, I put Nana on it. For my dad's, I put Granddad.